Winnie and her friends. Winnie was a bird who lived on a planet called Nibiru. She had many friends and liked to fly around her planet, but she is not fond of her planet. She had a friend who was a deer named Liam, and he liked to eat a lot of calamari sweets, and he always accompanied Winnie to fly around the planet. Winnie had a friend named Adam. He is always done for things on the planet, but she is always mad. His, his name is Ivan. Ivan was a friendly and very funny raccoon. He liked to fly, hide and seek, and he is very good. His name is Oliver. He is always watching movies in the Galactic Cinema, but he likes comedy more. But one day, the friends were playing ball in the Nibiru Park, but suddenly they appeared in a very strange spaceship, and suddenly very strange veins came up, veins that weren't from Nibiru. And suddenly Ivan approached the spaceship and they took him away. They put him in the ship and they flew away. So Winnie said, "You have to go rescue him and quickly." And they and then they all a few of it sorted, and they were following the ship to talk Ivan. And when they saw him leave the galaxy, they got a little nervous because they had never left in the galaxy in their lives. But Winnie said, "God, guys, we have to go save Ivan. We have to overcome our fears, because I know that Ivan do the same for us." So bravely armed, they continued their way following the ship that took Ivan, but inside they were terrified to leave their home. But then, out of nowhere, the spaceship stopped, and they took the opportunity to enter the spaceship and rescue Ivan. And they found a lot of things there, like books. It was very strange ship. And then Oliver said, "Guys, we have to come see this." And there were the strange beings to talk Ivan. They were eating both at a table, and suddenly they saw Ivan eating with them. Relieved, they jumped from the excitement when they saw their friend. Ivan said, "Hi guys, this is my friends. This is Penny and he is Lucas." "Hello," Ivan's friends said, and they replied hello. But Winnie asked, "Why was Ivan taken away?" And Lucas replied, "Without he is bad, and that we could hurt us. But he turned out to be very good to us, and we told him to join us for lunch." Lucas said, "The boys from Nibiru always think that we're bad, so brought them a box of cookies to show them our friendship. But then Ivan came to our ship and were scared. That's why to took him away." Ivan said, "They're not bad boys. They are very kind and caring. Never judge a book for its cover." Oliver said, I have ideas that Penny and Lucas can join us Nibiru. I'm sure that everyone would like to go. And they accepted the invitation. Life offers you good friends, but first you must be a good friend. As in the case of Winnie and her friends, they are terrified of leaving the galaxy, but despite everything, they are brave and face their fears. Because they knew that Ivan would do that, would what same for them, being good friends. Okay, this is my story. Blessings and bye.